Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. So if this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell, that way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to share with you the few things that I purchased during the Sephora savings event. So the first thing I have here is the Fenty here, the Homecurl curling cream. It's just a curling cream for your natural hair. So I'm going to be checking this out once I take out these crochet braids that I have in my hair, and let you guys know how I like it. I've seen quite a few reviews on it, and it looks very, very good. All right, the next thing that I have here is the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in Honey Waffles. This is the one that I've never had and always wanted to get. I swatched it on my hand so you guys could see it. So I can't wait to use this one. I always wanted to try it. I know you guys have seen this all over the internet. And by the way, the sale is still going on until the 14th of April. Alrighty, the next thing that we have here is another, this is a Gloss Bomb Stix from Fenty. Alright, it's called Tulips Kiss. That's the color. So I didn't even open these guys. All right, this one is like a lipstick, and let's see if I can swatch the color. That's the color right here. So you know, it looks nice and creamy, so I can't wait to use this also. Also, there's this Fenty blush that I wanted to try. I think I saw Ariel with this one. Let me see if I can look at the name of the color. Hold on guys, it's so tiny I can't see it. It's called Melons. Melons, that's very tiny. I don't think you guys could see that. But I didn't open it, so it's a little cute little packaging, alright? And the color is on the back. And this is how it looks. It's a cream blush. So I'm gonna do a little swatch for you guys, and I'm gonna put it right here. It's this one. Put a little bit more right here. Okay, so I can't wait to use that. Alrighty, and the next thing I have from Fenty is this lip liner that I wanted to try. It's called Trace Out. Alrighty, and the color that I got is I Wouldn't. Alright, so they had quite a few of them. I think these came out probably sometime last year. So it looks, and it's a retractable, and I'm gonna put the color right here so you could see it. So this looks nice and pigmented, right? Alright, and I have a few more things that I got also. Now from the Sephora line, I got these Sephora cotton pads. I really love these. These are like probably maybe $4 or something, and you know, you get the 30% off. So these are very good. The pads that's there, you know, when you use the regular pads, usually it's like coming off all over your face. This one doesn't. It's like solid. It stays together. No little fuzzy on your face. Alright, so that's my bag. My bag has been through it, guys. Alright, the next thing that I got is from the Sephora collection also, and I think I did mention this the last time I did the recommendations, but I didn't have it to put it on the screen. This is the Sephora Nourishing Moisturizer with PBT, which is prebiotics, right? and it's unscented, so it hydrates and it repairs your skin. I have used this before, so I just got another one. Comes in this nice little pink jar with the pink at the top. Alrighty, so the ingredients, let's see, it's unscented, and this is good to use in the morning and in the nights. Alright, so that's what I got. But I've used this before, so this is not brand new. It's new because I got another one. Also, I purchased this Rare Beauty Positive Light Silk Touch Highlighter. Alright, yeah, you guys know that I had this before and mine fell and it just shattered. So, since I really, really like it, I had to purchase it again. And what better time than now? Alright. The shade, my shade is Flaunt. And this is how she's looking. So, so pretty. Love the packaging. And it comes with like a little mirror, okay? So that's Rare Beauty Flaunt. And another thing that I have, I also wanted to try this because of Ariel. She was like, you need to try this pencil. This is a Sephora crayon pencil. Waterproof. It's like a micro pencil. It's for your brows. Right? And the shade that I got here is Granite. Right? So it's very pigmented. Also, let me put it below. That's below the, right here. Below the lip pencil, the Fenty lip pencil. I can't wait to use that to let you guys know. Also, I got this Sephora 12-hour colorful. This is an eyeliner pencil. Alrighty, this is the color. I'm gonna put it right below this one. It's like a nice teal looking color, and the color is called Waterfall. So imagine that underneath the eyes. I can't wait to use this. Okay. Also, I have this repurchase of the Caudalie toner, right? Moisturizing toner. It's very, very good for your face. It has organic rose water and ooh, we can't pronounce that word. That's a big one. And it's good for all skin types, face and eyes. Alrighty, so you guys know that I've shown this. Is probably like my third bottle. So this is a Caudalie toner. If you're looking for a good toner, once you take off your makeup, you want to make sure your face is nice and clean. You put it on there and it helps to, like, you know, it takes care of your skin. Takes care of your skin. What am I saying? Alright, and the last thing I have is this foundation for Get the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Foundation from Lawless. Again, Ariel, she did a review on it and it looks so amazing on her skin, and I was like, I need to try it. So the shade that I got is 28D. Alrighty, so I'll be doing a video with this nice glass bottle with like a rose gold cover. So I can't wait to use it. So I'll be sharing a video next using these things here. I think I want to do a video with this one. She needs her own highlight, so I think I want to do a video with this one by itself. All right, so that is all I got, guys, in the Sephora sale. If you guys are thinking about buying anything, this would be the time. This video is not sponsored. You know, maybe next year I'll have a sponsorship. Sephora, call me girl. So if you're looking for something, this will be a time for you to get a little percentage off, okay? So I hope that you see something here that you like today. All right, guys, and I thank you so much for watching, and I'll leave the links of everything down in the description section. Just like that, guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy watching. Just showing you guys a few things that I have that I got from the sale. Did not go crazy. I hope that you see something that you like. I'll be sure to leave the links of everything down in the description section. Again, guys, if you love this video and you love my content, please remember to like the video. You can share with a friend that you think would like some of these items. Subscribe to the channel and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup sprinkled, and on this channel we do